Want to unlock free subs, sides, and more at Subway? Today, we're diving into how to redeem your Subway rewards points like a pro using the UK app, so you can maximize those delicious savings. First things first, fire up your Subway, make sure you're logged in. And right there on the home screen, you'll see your current points balance displayed. This is your key to free food, so keep an eye on it. Next, tap on the Rewards tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a dedicated page showcasing all the amazing offers you can redeem your points for. Get ready to be tempted. Scroll through the available rewards. You'll see everything from free cookies and drinks to discounted subs and sides, each with a point value clearly listed underneath. Take your time to see what tickles your fancy. Once you've decided what you want, tap on the reward you desire. A pop-up will appear, confirming the item and the points required. If you have enough points, a redeem button will appear. Tap that button. The app will then confirm that the reward has been added to your order. Depending on the reward, it might be a voucher code or automatically added to your cart when you start an order. Now, start building your order as usual. As you add your favorite sub and extras, you'll see the redeemed reward automatically applied, deducting the corresponding value from your total. Watch those savings stack up. Head to checkout, and you'll see the final discounted price, reflecting the points you've redeemed. Complete your order and get ready to enjoy your Subway feast, made even better by the power of points. That's all there is to it. Redeeming your Subway rewards points on the UK app is super easy and a fantastic way to save. So keep earning those points and enjoy the rewards. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving tips.